Hey everyone, my name is Jocelyn. I'm the founder of Dermaflage, and I'm coming to you from my bathroom. I'm on day 16 of quarantine with my husband and my 3 small kids, kind of going crazy. I think I may have caught Corona on spring break to New Orleans. Haven't actually been tested, but been feeling pretty bad. So sitting around the house, I've been doing a lot of thinking about all of us during this time and what we could do to maybe feel better. And I started thinking about all the glow up challenges and how overwhelming they are. It's like this crazy, gotta lose 30 pounds, gotta have perfect skin, gotta change your hair, change your nails, change everything. And I started thinking, well, if we're gonna be locked up in our houses for the next 30 to 45 days or longer, maybe we should start thinking about a glow up challenge. But a glow up challenge maybe more for like adults and maybe more moderate, maybe something along the lines of like, okay, let's just try to improve ourselves a little bit and improve ourselves in terms of our skin, in terms of our health, especially with Corona, and building up our immunities, maybe improving our outlook and our confidence. For those of you who are familiar with me and Dermaflage, you know that I'm all about self-confidence, all about doing things for yourself so that you can be your best self and accomplish what you're meant to in the world. So maybe this time is a good time for us to take a little time for introspection and a little time for self-care and improving ourselves. So I propose to you a kind of moderate, maybe slightly lazy person's glow up challenge. Those of you who know me know that I am not into lots of steps. I'm kind of lazy, especially when it comes to skincare and makeup, and even my own health, sadly. So I am kind of creating my own little glow up challenge and wanted to share it with you guys here today to maybe inspire you to, do some of these things or create some of your own things to take care of yourself so that you can better take care of your family and the other people in the world that you love. Because if you're not strong, then you can't be of any help to anyone else. So I have created little videos around skincare, around makeup, around health, and then of course around some self-help, I guess, or inspiration that can kind of help you connect to your higher purpose, higher power, feel more self-confident, and maybe a little bit more spiritual and happy, right? I think that's such a big thing that so many of us struggle with, is like this idea of how can we be happy? All of us are trying to be happy, and that's such a, or theoretically, such a like inherent human quality, yet so many of us struggle with it. So I think that's something definitely to work on in this period of shutdown. I've been thinking about it. I'm somebody who does all the time. I'm just always doing things. And even if I have downtime, I'm thinking about the next task. I'm thinking about what I need to do for work, what I need to be doing at the house. I can't just sit and be. And so I've sort of challenged myself to do nothing, right? The world is literally shut down. So what better time to really kind of take a break, take care of ourselves, and maybe improve ourselves and come out of this better and stronger than we were when we started. So without further ado, we will move into skincare and makeup. As you see, I do not have any makeup on. And you can also see that I have some hormonal acne, which I struggle with because actually my birthday was this weekend. So sad. It was the quarantine birthday. My kids and my husband tried to make it as fun as possible, and I FaceTimed with friends, but it was just pretty sad. But I turned 42. So, I'm dealing with hormonal acne. I'm starting to deal with some wrinkles. And then for those of you who have followed my other videos or know me, the dark circles, right? I have horrible, and you've heard me say it before, but now maybe on this video, you can see how bad they really are. And most of it's genetic. It just has to do with the fact that my skin is really thin and it's very vascular around the eyes. Also the way my eyes are set, if I go like this, you can kind of see I have the troughs, and it's just been getting worse and worse as I get older. Now I think also because I'm sick, or hopefully on the tail end of being sick, they're looking pretty bad. So it's probably a good time to do a little tutorial to show you how well some of the Dermaflage products work at concealing some of this discoloration.